Here I've got LeEco Le S3, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select Backup and Reset, and here you will notice Backup My Data. Smoothly click on it, and if it's not active, just click on the switcher to activate Google Backup. Then you have to add your backup account. To do it, just select Backup Account. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, because otherwise you will not be able to log in with your Google account. And now it's time to enter your email address or phone number, whichever is connected with your Google account. In my case it's email address. And now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. Here it is, and then click on Next. And if you would like to come along with Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, just click on those links, and if you agree with all the conditions, click on I agree. And that's it. As you can see, backup to Google Drive is active. Click on Accept to confirm your selection of this Google Service settings. And that would be all. You've just added Google account as your backup account to LeEco Le S3. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.